Hi Bruce, it's Sean here. Today I'm doing a little bit of a special recipe. This recipe's been in my family for over 100 years. Not all of you may know, some of you might already. I live in Tasmania, which is an island on the bottom of Australia. And back in the old day, they used to use this a lot, and it comes from the highlands. I can't tell you what it is. I can give you a quick look at what it's been, but that's about it. So anyhow, like I said, it's a family secret recipe. Anyhow, if you are a YouTuber or a brewer, professional brewer, comment, let me know you're interested. I'll get in contact with you and I will send you some to make your own, say 30 litre batch for experimental reasons. But it's something that you cannot buy, and it's really hard to find. So once again, there it is. That's all. It was a handful in this. And anyhow, the recipe that I'm using today, it's an extract. It's Cooper's ale with half a kilo of malt, 750 grams of dextrose. Then my special leaves for the recipe. And it comes from the highlands of Tasmania. It's a really different sort of thing. You've never had anything like it, and it's quite nice. I have made a batch. Last time I used it in a draft extract. It came out really nice, especially after about 9 months, 8-9 months. It was just, I opened a bottle probably a few weeks back, and it was so nice. But it's been nice all the way along. From day one that I've opened it up, it has been nice anyhow. So basically I've got my water all ready to go, about to pitch my yeast, and how I did it was I boiled up 3.5 litres of water with a handful of those leaves. Boiled it up for about 15 minutes, and then basically I put some water in my water already, and then I had my malt and my dextrose and stuff, and then I added the water from the actual stove, and then I'm about to pitch my yeast, and what else was there? There was something that I'm forgetting. Oh yes, I am going to put a finishing hop in it, pearly finishing hops. I'm gonna put about 20 grams of that in to give that little bit of an IPA taste. I think this will be even nicer than a full IPA. So anyhow, I'm going to a distillery tonight. And then I'm going to a brewery, so big night tonight, and I'll take a bottle of what I've made in the past. I told them I would, and see what they say about it, and get some feedback from that, and I'll also try and get a little bit of footage of the actual new brewery here in the town that I live in. So anyhow, Brewsters, just keep me in touch. Any comments or questions, go ahead. Feel free to subscribe. Like, it's up to you. I don't need to tell you to do those things, but you can if you like. Anyway, here's to many more secret family recipes.